No, oh no, not cleaning, no. No cleaning. Oh, it's okay.
Okay, I keep water
And here they have two 7-Elevens. One 7-Eleven there and one here. This is a big one. And here's the national park. So I just live over there. And here we have the entrance to the national park, and you can say the beach area, so it's very close to the beach. I'm off to the beach, and all my sunblock sun cream is finished, so I have to buy a new one. And I asked yesterday at the pharmacy, but they only had like 60 of protection, and that's a little bit too much for me. I want, well, I've used 20, so that would be maybe ideal, but I haven't seen any 20, so maybe I will stick to 30. And I know they have some here. Here they have a lot of things on the way down to the beach. The sand here is really nice. So I'm at the beach now, and I hope that I can just lie there on the sand, because I don't want any sunbed, because you often have to pay for it so I hope I can just lay on the sand and not be charged for it. Here there are some people who are, yeah, so maybe I just lie down here. Oh, it's so warm. It's so goddamn warm. Oh my goodness. With salt. It's a little bit cloudy. Well, it's actually been... This is more cloudy now than it was before. But yes. Yes. That's so smooth. Oh my goodness. I just been inside the Grand View and to the toilet there. It also feels like you're not allowed because it's not my hotel, but better to poop there than in the ocean. Yeah. And there's not so many people here. They're very little people. It still is sort of also the rain season ish down here in Koh Samet. So maybe that's why, and also due to the pandemic and stuff. But oh my god, it's so nice. Oh, can you believe it's, I don't know, the 7th of November in Sweden? Well, it's the 7th of November here as well. But it's November, and I'm not used to this kind of weather. Yeah, I saw that yesterday when I looked through my notes, that actually the last time I was in Southeast Asia, that was in 2019, just before the pandemic. I was in the Philippines for 1 month, and then I was like 4 days or something like that in Koh Samet. So it was my last trip to Southeast Asia that I was here in Koh Samet. So yeah, I thought it was longer, a trip like Malaysia or the last time I was in Bali, but because of the pandemic, it was let's see now it's also 3 years ago, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, 3 years ago I was here. It doesn't seem like that much has changed, what I can see actually. So it's pretty much the same. Feels the same. I'm so happy that the weather is fine. It's not raining. I can take a swim. I had the whole morning very, very easy going. I made a movie. I did a movie about the White Temple, and now I put it on the social media and stuff. So yeah, that's what I did until like 1 o'clock or something like that. So it was, yeah. Oh yeah. So I have some decisions left to make. One is if I want to prolong my stay here for one more day. Right now I'm staying, it's the 7th, and I'm staying until the 12th. So it's like I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 5 whole days here. And I could prolong it 1, and I could prolong it 2 days also. So we'll see about that. Okay, so now I've been here a couple of hours, and the sun disappeared like 1 hour ago, but it's been really nice. Yeah, it's been nice. And it could be there will be some rain. I don't know if this hotel here is open. There was somebody at the reception, but it's been like it's not been cleaned. So, yeah. Walking home. Yeah, there's some sand on this, but it took in some water, so I'm actually, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, so I have to throw it away. Okay, so it's been a very slow day. It's been we're at the beach for some time. Well, from like 1 o'clock to 4:30. And then I've been taking it easy on my balcony and stuff, and now it's time to eat. It's like 8 o'clock. So and I think I'm going to the beach and gonna eat there some. Well, the beach is over there, but then I heard some music over here, so I just yeah, I got a little curious, so I'm gonna check it out. I don't know how to get in. I don't know. How do you get in? This is I was in front of this hotel and swimming today. It's like a whole area inside here that I haven't seen before. Okay, so here is an opening into something. I wonder if this is like a local thing. That children and stuff. Oh, there were actually a live band over here. Now something is happening here. I mean, I've been here before, but I haven't seen with it before. And there's a lot of places here where you can eat, but I think it's more local right here. This is the local markets. And now we will oh, okay, so this is the restaurant I ate yesterday. So this is where you enter here. Ah, okay. And I live there. Okay. Let's go to the beach. I actually just took the first restaurant when I came in here from there. It's called Buddies. That's a good name, right? And I can't complain. I actually have live performance here in the bar. Just the restaurants are lying beside each other all the way this beach here. But enough of that. My food is here. I have some garlic bread and looks delish. It was very, very good, and it was good before, but then I took this chili. Oh my goodness, yeah. This is a 3 or 2.5.